Today, we're diving deep into the latest flagship from Samsung, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This device has stirred up quite a bit of conversation, and I've got some fascinating insights to share. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement from Samsung. So, let's dive in. At first glance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might remind you of its predecessors, but don't let looks deceive you. Samsung has packed some significant upgrades into this device. Display. Samsung has taken a bold step by ditching the curved edges, a hallmark of their previous Ultra models. The flat screen not only offers a sleek look, but also enhances the usability of the S Pen. It's more comfortable and offers an expanded workspace for note-taking and drawing. The screen also has superior anti-reflective properties and a brightness level that outshines its competitors, like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This means better visibility in various lighting conditions, a crucial factor for any smartphone user. The visual experience is further enriched by the new Gorilla Armor glass. It's not just marketing hype. This glass offers unprecedented scratch resistance. In durability tests, it showed minimal scratching even at level 8 on the Mohs hardness scale, a first for smartphones. Design. Samsung has opted for a more refined look with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The use of titanium for the side rails not only adds to the phone's aesthetic appeal with its satin finish, but also enhances its durability. This choice of material gives the phone a more premium feel, and the matte finish is a clever touch to keep the phone looking pristine, resisting fingerprints and smudges. Durability. Speaking of durability, let's talk about how the S24 Ultra holds up under stress. The new Gorilla Armor glass and titanium build were put through rigorous tests by renowned tech reviewers. The results? Impressive scratch resistance and a strong build that withstands bending and burning tests. However, it's important to note that while the titanium is scratch resistant, it's not invincible. User experience. Some early users have raised concerns about the screen's color vibrancy. Users on forums like Reddit reported that colors on the S24 Ultra seem less vivid compared to older models like the S23 Ultra. This sparked a debate on whether the issue was due to the hardware or software. After a thorough investigation, it turns out the issue is software-related, specifically linked to the vivid display mode. Samsung has acknowledged this and is rolling out an update to enhance the color quality. The update will allow users to adjust the vividness to their preference. This is a great example of Samsung's commitment to user satisfaction and responsiveness to feedback. The flexibility in adjusting display settings is a significant plus for users who prefer customizing their visual experience. This move by Samsung demonstrates their understanding of diverse user preferences, performance, and features. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by a top-of-the-line processor, ensuring smooth and speedy operations. The camera system is a highlight, offering a range of zoom options for every photography enthusiast. The S Pen, a long-standing feature of the Ultra series, continues to be a versatile tool for creativity and productivity. Battery life. In terms of battery life, the S24 Ultra doesn't disappoint, offering long-lasting power to get you through the day. Samsung has also made strides in environmental sustainability by incorporating recycled materials in the phone's construction. AI features. The AI features are interesting, though they may not be the main selling point compared to rivals like the Pixel. It's worth noting that while these features are free for now, there might be additional charges post-2025. The Galaxy S24 Ultra excels in many areas but also has some drawbacks. Its size and weight might be a turnoff for some, and a high price tag is certainly a consideration. The S Pen, while useful, may not appeal to all users, and when it comes to AI features, the S24 Ultra doesn't quite lead the pack. Pros. Exceptional display quality. High-performance camera system, long-lasting battery, S Pen functionality, robust build quality, environmentally conscious design. Cons, bulky and heavy, high price point. S Pen not universally appealing, AI features not as advanced as competitors. To sum up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a formidable contender in the smartphone arena. It's a well-rounded device with standout features, but it's important to consider its shortcomings. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a high-end phone and the price isn't a deterrent. What do you think about the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Are the new features enough to win you over? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot. That's all for today. Until next time, peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy F55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy F55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy F54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy F53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy F52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy F55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy F55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy F55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy F55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy F54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy F55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy F55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.